Hi, we're Big Wise registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. When planning lunch for your children, simply remember the 5 food groups using my plate.
Incorporate a whole grain, protein, vegetable, fruit, and dairy food to fuel them for the day ahead.
Cheesy taco pasta. Add cooked pasta and chipotle ranch dressing in a large bowl, then mix. Cook ground beef, drain, and mix with taco seasoning. Add seasoned beef, peppers, tomatoes, and cheese to pasta. Mix well to combine. Place mixture in a warmed, insulated food storage container and pack with a side of fruit.
Turkey sushi. Top warm tortilla with ranch dressing and turkey slices. Add rice onto half the turkey and press to flatten. Layer carrots, cucumber, lettuce, tomato, and cheese in a line on top. Roll tortilla, slice, and hold together with toothpicks. Pack sushi with mixed berries in a milk box.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.